Another day, another project in our house. So something that I wanted to work on, let me show you, is I wanted to work on getting the bottom of my pantry in order because it looks like this and I don't want it to look like that anymore. And so I thought to buy one of those, you know, little racks where I can put my Ninja Foodie and my crock pot because I need to reorganize these puppies. Do your cabinets look like this? Because all of my cabinets are Jack in the Boxes and I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of every time I want to do a slow cooker recipe, I have to unload all of this from out of that. So I'm really going to take a minute, go through everything, see what has to stay, see what has to go, and get all my appliances and put them in one place. So far we have 4 items in, and I have one more once we open it up. This is the Fruity Smart Grill. That will be going over there. So this is what will be stored in my pantry, and I'm so happy because already I've cleared several places now that I will now begin to reorganize. Like this is just a mess, and I didn't even know I had that panini thing down there. But truth be told, I don't need it anymore because now we have the Ninja Foodie Grill, which is a panini maker. So let's just get to work. All right, so we've literally cleared up a ton of space, but I can see right here that I need another container for my utensils. So I'm gonna run out right now and just get one to clean that up. All our extra coffee is going to go downstairs and we'll pick it up every time we run out. We'll just bring up a new bag and we are going to sell. I didn't even know I had this air fryer. Did not even know I had that air fryer. And I did not even know I had this panini press back there. So we're gonna sell these on Let It Go and make some money. But I'll be right back.